Okay, we are going to look at adding mixed fractions. Mixed fractions, as I could see from your worksheet, some of you get it very well and others have just got confused a little bit. So the way to work with this mixed fraction, any mixed fraction is made up of a whole and a fraction part. So when you're adding mixed fractions, it is very simple. You do not have to convert these into improper fraction. Some of you have done that, and what you end up with is very large numbers, and then there is more chances that you can go wrong, make mistakes, and it becomes harder with LCM, especially when you are dealing with different denominators. So I'll just put one example where the fraction part has the same denominator, because I think you'll get it very easily. It's quite easy once you know how to add fractions. The first thing to do is add up the whole numbers. So that's pretty easy. 2 plus 3 is 5. And now I have to worry about the fraction parts, 3 over 6 and 2 over 6. So 3/6 plus 2/6 is 5 over 6. So now I just add up 5 plus 3/6 plus 2/6 is 5/5/6. Okay, I'll just give you another example. Let's say 4/7/8 plus 2/1/8 equals, so I'll do 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus, within brackets, let's say I have 7/8 plus 1/8, which is equal to 8 over 8. And what is 8 over 8? That is 1 whole. So that makes it 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So you can either write like this or just do the fraction part first, which is probably the way to go when you are doing these kind of fractions, when you have two different denominators, because now we have to think about the LCM, or multiply the first fraction by the denominator of the second. Do not worry about the whole number to begin with. We'll just, for now, forget the whole number. But having said that, there's one person, I don't remember who has in the worksheet done the fraction parts and forgotten all about the whole. You can't, because that's the bigger part. You still have to add them up. So to begin with, we will not worry about the whole number. So we'll do 1 over 2 plus 2 over 6. And we know I can write 2 with the denominator as 6, because you can multiply 2 by 3 to get 6. So 1 over 2 can be written as 3 over 6, because I've multiplied this by 3, numerator also by 3, and I get 3 over 6. Now I can easily add 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6, and I get 5 over 6. So I've taken care of the fractions. Now I need to worry about the whole numbers. 2 plus 4 is 6. So the answer is 6/5/6. Is that okay?